Hello and welcome to another composing tip video. I thought I'd do something slightly different this week and actually show you some of the notes. But building on last week, we're going to look at violin tremolo. Last week we did harmonics. So let's hear what we're going to write. Okay, so this is quite a common way of composing, and what I am doing is show you the keyboard. I'm basing it on C as the sort of root note, but I'm not using an E or an E flat to imply either major or minor. So for these tremolo violins, if we just come up here a little bit, all I'm doing is C, G and C, spreading the octave. And then moving the middle note. That's all it is. So down to F, A flat, and the G. That's it. That's all the tremolo violin does. What I've then done is added a short melody in horns, which sound quite nice. But again, you will see I am not using anything fancy in terms of notes. C, G, C, B flat, C, G. And at the second half is slight variation. But again, notice no E or E flat in that. Then for the celli that come in at the end to help build energy, this is the whole thing we are talking about when we are composing these tracks. All I have done is dropped it down so the tune starts on a G. So that's a perfect fourth below the C. That's all it does. And actually, when I put this together, all I did was copy this section down here and then drag the notes down. The other interesting thing I thought I'd do is show you what it sounds like if I use Albion Colossus instead of BBC SO. I had to change some of the automation because it's slightly less intense. Well, slightly more intense, but you need to make it louder in Colossus than SO. Let's go back to the beginning. There we go. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this sort of thing useful, and tell your friends about it. I'll play an outro of the original SO and Colossus playing together just for fun. See you in the next video. Bye for now.